Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to change your language on the YouTube TV app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change the language from English to Spanish on your YouTube TV app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to go ahead and do is grab your remote and go ahead and log onto your YouTube TV app if you're not already logged in. Then on the top right hand corner, you're going to click on your profile icon. And then where it says language, you're going to click on language. And then from here, this is where you can cycle or switch between English and Spanish. You can switch between English and Spanish. So with that, we're going to go ahead and click on Spanish and it'll change the language to Espanol. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the language on your YouTube TV app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.